Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. We are talking about a collagen sleeping mask today, or sleeping collagen mask by Algenist. Okay, so check this out, guys. I tested this for almost 3 weeks. Technically, I tested it for 2.5 weeks straight. Did it make a difference? I have 3 of them right here because I'm going to tell you guys at the end of the video how to save yourself a lot of money getting this very, very expensive product. Okay, so did I see a difference? This is a sleeping collagen mask. I'm gonna show you guys the photos right now, and you guys tell me what you think. Pay attention to my under eye area a lot and my nose area. So let's go ahead and let me show you guys the photos right now. So this is going to be night 1 trying the sleeping collagen. So I opened it up and I had dipped my finger in to feel what it feels like. I haven't ever tried this before, but it feels like, I don't know, like a wax, almost like a oil slash, yeah, like an oil. So I don't know how this is going to be. Look, like it doesn't come out really, like, look at that. Like I can push and push and it really doesn't come out much. So I think you have to kind of dig. So let's go ahead and put this all throughout. Now right here in the very corners of my eyes, I've noticed right there that I've been getting like fine lines, and maybe a little bit right here under my eyes. Obviously you can see the line right there. And you can see some lines right here. That's what happens when you get older. Which I'm not saying how old I am. Anyways, no, I'm just kidding. I'm 42. So, obviously I'm massaging this in. And I'm also going to have to really pull some out like this, like a chunk, because it doesn't want to come out. You know what it reminds me of? The texture and how it looks and how it wants to come out like that. I know you guys are going to laugh. It reminds me of Crisco. Like I'm putting Crisco on my face. It has a pleasant smell. Very mild, very mild, but pleasant. You know what, guys? I actually enjoy this. This feels great because I am that type of person that I sleep with a bunch of oil on my face. And this feels really good, especially over the lips like that. Like I feel like I'm sleeping with oil. Just a little bit more slippery and adhered to my skin. So I'll see you guys in a few weeks. Actually, I'll see you guys in like 2 weeks to see if it actually did any type of difference to my skin. Look guys, I thought I would turn on the camera and show you guys my under eye area. I'm out and about on the strip today. Look at that. Isn't my under eye area like filled in? It looks so freaking awesome. Honestly, like I don't have that hollow or that indentation. Okay, so what I will honestly say, this is God honest truth, is yes, I saw biggest freaking difference. The biggest difference. You want to know where I saw it? I saw it in this portion of my eyes. Look at this. Like, you see this line, this kind of like this right there, that like hollow, how it goes in. Well, I didn't have that when I was using this. I've stopped using this. I think today is day 3. And I noticed that hollow came back. If you notice in the photos, like me using this. Okay, I want to tell you really quick. I use this every single night, and I used it for about a week and a half in the daytime under the eyes. I would put it under the eyes, and then I put my foundation on top of that. Almost felt like it made my makeup look better because it hydrated under the eyes and made it look smooth. But, did you see results? I saw huge results. Now, I'm going to tell you, honestly, it is a hefty price tag. It is almost $100 freaking for 2 ounces of this. So what I do is I go to Sephora.com and I look at their Sephora play boxes. Their play boxes, you get 5 items, 5 different products for $10. So these have 8 milliliters, 0.27 fluid ounces in each one of them. So I ordered 3 different boxes that had this in it. You guys can see. So the consistency of it is very, very, like, look at this. It's very thick, guys. And even though it was thick, I woke up the next day and it was completely absorbed into my skin. How can something this thick completely absorb into my skin? It did. It worked fantastic. There's another product by Dr. Dennis Goss that is the collagen C serum, which is really freaking good like this. But this one I actually think is a tad bit better because of the consistency. I know it's thick, but it feels great. It hydrates the skin. Anyways, getting back to my eye area, like huge difference. Like it just kind of plumped everything. Now at the same time, I'm going to tell you the negative that I think about this. I use this all over the face every night. It plumped my wrinkles. It really did. I had less lines in my forehead. These were not as deep, I believe. And right here, I do have this one line that comes up right here because I like sleep on this side and it's like a compression wrinkle, and right here between my eyes. Now I saw that those were plumped, but if you notice in the photos, let me show you one more time the photo. My nose and my eye area, everything looks a tad bit more swollen, but that's a good and a bad thing. Okay, so don't say, I don't want a swollen face. I would honestly recommend using this product in strategic areas of the face. So if you have forehead wrinkles, apply it to those. If you have just small spots that you dislike, look, oh, I'm getting crow's feet, or I got like this wrinkle right here, things like that. I would only apply this to those areas that you want to work on. Obviously, if you apply it to all of your skin, your face is going to look a little bit more plumped. Now, for women that are much older than me and have severe wrinkles all over, that's great. But me, I kind of like the hollows of my face here, the hollow that comes in here. I like certain hollows on my skin. I just don't like the hollows under my eyes and the wrinkles in certain areas. So that's why I'm going to continue using this, but just in certain areas, because it's almost like my nose right here. This is where I was like heavily working it here, right here, because of that wrinkle. And on this side, I was working it into here. And to me in these photos, maybe it's just me, you guys let me know. To me in these photos, it seemed like my nose was bigger, and no woman wants a bigger nose. I mean, maybe you do. I don't know. Maybe you got a tiny nose. Anyways, guys, loved this freaking product. This is amazing. Like complete 5 stars. Very pricey, like I said, but once again, $100. But hey, I got nearly an ounce here. Well, actually, let's see here. 8 times 3. No, I got, yeah, well, no. 8 times 3 is 24. So I got 24 ounces right here for $30. But then again, I got all these other products to try out. So this is a way that you can actually sample something, get a really decent amount, of product for just 10 bucks. Anyways, but you guys let me know if you saw a difference in my skin. I will say that it completely absorbed into my skin. I will say that it plumped my skin all over. It did not, and the fact that it has that thick consistency, I almost feel like it's, I mean, I know this is going to sound funny, but I almost feel like it stayed put, if that makes sense. Because when I put an oil on at night, I almost feel like with me sleeping, like the oil can rub into my eyes. And I learned this by this other product that I am currently reviewing. That's why I haven't used these in a few days. But I'm putting this serum on my face. Then I put a moisturizer. It says put a moisturizer on. So I put a moisturizer on top of that. And so I've been putting an oil on top of that. And last night I found that when I would sleep, like, I guess the serum and the oil mix and it got into my eyes and it burns like a mofo. Okay. But with this, it did not do that. It was weird. It was like, yeah, I was like, it was all thick and kind of slippery on my face, but it stayed put at the same time. And it was completely absorbed in the morning. Super impressed with this, guys. Once again, you know, if I can find this, once again, why did I say once again? I don't know. Once again, super impressed. But if I can find this link, I will post it down below in the comment section. Amazing, amazing product. I did get this at Sephora. Go check out their Sephora boxes. See if this is still in their Sephora boxes. If it is, I would just spend the 10 bucks. Get this and 4 other products to at least try out for yourself, because this is the truth. Let me show you guys. So I wore this for a week and a half, and I wore this every night for 2.5 weeks. And I want to show you guys how much product I still have left. So one container, and all I would do is take my pinky finger, take some out, smear, and then massage into the skin. One container will last you nearly a month. Like, wow. Anyways, guys, has really like, it has a really no fragrance, but it has a little of something, but really, it's really pretty much fragrance free. And this is called GENIUS Sleeping Collagen by Algenist. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Took me quite a while to do. It takes me quite a while to do these anti-aging reviews. But I think it's worth it, because if we can find something that helps, that doesn't break the bank. I mean, I know this breaks the bank if you buy the whole big container from Sephora, but if you buy the little one, 10 bucks. Anyways, I don't know why I'm so sidetracked today. I hope this video made sense, and I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.